one of the things that Michael and Nicholas last year's Clinical Skills Summit in Italy were having fun with is, yes, they can find the spot and I can find the spot, but how come when I find the spot, it elicits this sort of like, oh, and when they find it, it's like, ow. What's the difference? And so all of us can find the spot, but once on the spot, are we looking for the way into the spot that elicits the most sensation? Not in a negative way, right? Often because it's sure, it's painful, it will be painful. But I talk a lot about finding the way in so we're not hitting a turtle shell. What is the way in? So if I come to this spot and I go, okay, there's the spot. Well, I don't know which way to needle. How would I know? Well, okay, safety. Okay, all right. No, I go around it. For me, going just below the nubby and coming up, this much, I feel that. This much, it's gone. Down, absolutely nothing. This way, nothing. This way, a little bit. But there's just the right angle. And then, don't make this mistake. So I now know where the spot is, and I know I need to needle this way. Are we ready for the mistake? It's fixed. It's gone. No. It happens. It still happens to me. Right? So just be aware. So in the mainland, what would you see? Don't do that. For a lot of reasons, but Silke said it best. Silke was just like, don't do that because you're breathing your germs all over that needle, right? Remember, in today's world, not sharing is the new caring. Right? Don't do that. Yeah, huh? Mm-hmm.